Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize remote work solutions with Zoom step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your team's remote work needs.
Identify the primary goals you want to achieve with Zoom.
Ensure all team members have reliable internet connections. Encourage everyone to download and install the latest version of Zoom. Schedule a comprehensive training session to familiarize your team with the platform. Discuss essential features such as screen sharing, chat, and breakout rooms.
Set up a dedicated Zoom account for your organization to manage settings easily. Configure your account settings to enhance security and privacy. Require passwords for meetings to prevent unauthorized access.
Educate team members on best practices for professional video conferencing.
Advise them to use good lighting and choose appropriate backgrounds. Encourage the use of headsets for clearer audio quality.
Create a calendar for regular team meetings to maintain connection.
Utilize Zoom's calendar integration to streamline scheduling.
Incorporate breakout rooms for small group discussions during larger meetings. Test different features in practice meetings to build familiarity. Determine a method for recording meetings for reference or absent team members.
Encourage feedback from your team on their experience with Zoom.
Make adjustments based on their input to improve functionality. Promote a culture of engagement by encouraging video usage. Create a shared document for notes and action items during meetings. Utilize Zoom's integration capabilities with other productivity tools.
Experiment with Zoom apps to enhance collaboration. Review Zoom analytics to track usage and identify potential issues.
Continuously evaluate and adapt your remote work strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.